Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Well, it's lovely weather in Dublin right now. A little on the warm side, but plenty of sun. Only a couple of clouds out there for us. Temperature, though, 79 degrees. Ooh, that is above average. Normally, we're in the low 70s or upper 60s this time of year. We got a 3-mile-per-hour wind right now from the northeast. In fact, look at these highs here. 84 for Macon, 83 Warner Robins. If I'm not mistaken, the record high for Macon on this day is 85. So we're going to be flirting with that later on today, and could be in many other spots too. That is how unseasonably warm we are to get this week underway. Now, there is still the off chance for a pop-up shower or two later on today. It will be short-lived, very light rain. Don't need to worry about packing an umbrella for that. Other than those couple of shower opportunities, we're really looking at a warm afternoon. Not much wind for us from the northeast. A mix of sun and clouds. We'll actually start to see a little bit more cloud cover overnight. Doubt we're going to see any rain overnight. What we will likely see, though, as we head into tomorrow morning, is the wind is going to start to pick up for us. We're going to start seeing gusts at 20 miles per hour as we head into tomorrow afternoon. In fact, by that point, we're looking at gusts at 25, maybe even 30 miles per hour in some spots. Looking at Vienna down there, looking like a gusty spot. But other than that, a very sunny afternoon for us. Temperature is probably not going to be quite as warm tomorrow either. Now, why are we seeing all this wind? What's causing that? Well, we'll get there in just a second. Let's first talk about what we're going to wake up to tomorrow. It's going to be another muggy morning out there, definitely on the warm side, with a lot of those mid-60s, upper 60s as well. Forsyth 69, the warm spot, maybe even low 70s in Forsyth. But it's going to be similar today, except for more wind, and we may not have the fog. It's going to depend on what time that wind rolls in. You will not see the wind, or excuse me, the fog if that wind is here. So what is the cause of this wind? Nicole. Tropical storm Nicole is going to be the cause of this wind. Yes, it is November. Yes, there is a tropical system, and this coming towards Florida. We're going to start to see cloud cover increase with it as we head into Wednesday afternoon, and then rain chances will start to ramp up as we head into our Thursday afternoon and evening. So what is the deal with Nicole? What's its projected track? Zigzag. All right, up through Florida, which we need this actually. I'm explaining to you why Nicole's actually about to be doing us some real favors here in the Peach State, all right? First off, it's not going to get very strong because the waters just aren't as warm. This isn't peak hurricane season anymore. Number two, we need rain more than anything. Drought has been bad lately. We need downpours. Showers aren't going to do it. You get a tropical system, that's a lot of rain. All right, number three. Tropical system, weak tropical system coming up like this sucks all the heat and moisture out of the warm sector ahead of the cold front. That means there's no severe weather chances when this cold front comes through over the weekend. And what is that cold front going to bring? November weather. We're going to be seeing highs next week in the 50s and lows around freezing. In 10 seconds, your 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. Very involved 7-day forecast for us. Good amount of sun for the first few days. You notice a gradual cooling trend with the temperature. It's not too bad as we head into the end of the week. You notice a lot of that wind, and then you notice it stops on Friday. That's when Nicole passes over us to get the most rain, and then the cold front comes through over the weekend. It will still bring some wind. It's going to bring some colder temperatures, but thanks to Nicole, it won't bring us severe weather.